Hi, learners. On the podcast this week, we are talking about an amazing woman named Dolores Huerta, and she is very important because she fought for rights of workers, but especially people who worked in agriculture. So in the United States, a lot of the agriculture is handled by immigrants, and sometimes the working conditions are not good. So she wanted to change that, and so we really celebrate her and another man called Cesar Chavez for their important part in creating better working conditions. And thinking of agriculture, this is part of my little garden. I have some blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, eggplant, tomato, squash, cucumbers, radish, potato, onion. It's something I really enjoy, but maybe it's not my talent in life. We have an expression in English. If you are good with gardening, we say, you have a green thumb.